In this video, I'll walk you step by step through installing n8n on DigitalOcean. We'll spin up a droplet, set everything up properly, and get your automation workflows running in the cloud. Even if you're starting from scratch, you'll be able to follow along. So let's get started. Go to DigitalOcean website. If you do not have an account already, you can sign up with the link below and get $200 in credits for free. You need a card or PayPal when signing up to unlock the $200 credits. You won't be charged as long as your usage stays within the $200 credit and the 60-day trial period. If you exceed the $200 in credit or keep services running after the trial ends, then your card/PayPal will be charged for the extra usage. Once you have an account, go to the Marketplace section. Select n8n and click Create Droplet. Choose a region closest to you. I will go with San Francisco. Make sure the n8n image is selected. Depending on your type of workflows and automation needs, you will select a server. I will go with a basic and cheap one. Create a password. Name your VPS. I will call mine my n8n. Create droplet. Go to Droplet section. Wait for it to finish the installation. The droplet has been created. Click on Console to open the VPS. We are now connected to our VPS. Enter a subdomain. I will choose n8n. For the next step, we need a domain. Go to your domain registrar. I already have a domain on NameSilo, cloudauto.top. Click Add DNS record. Type n8n for the hostname, then copy the IP address of the VPS. Enter 3600 for the TTL. Now enter your domain in the DigitalOcean VPS console. We have an error. This is because it takes some time for the domain to point to VPS IP. Open dnschecker.org. Enter your domain name and click Search. We need to wait for DNS propagation. It is done on San Francisco. Go to VPS console and enter again the subdomain and the domain. Enter your email address. n8n installation is done. Copy your domain and access it in browser. Refresh until it works. Now it's time to create your account. Fill up your details. Enter your email address to get paid features for free. Add your activation key from your email address. And that's it. You now have n8n fully self-hosted on DigitalOcean. Your server is up, n8n is running, and you're ready to start building automation workflows with full control over your data and infrastructure. If this video helped you, give it a like, subscribe for more automation tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.